Calvin Jones here, Mark Tool Company with Tech Tuesday. We've got a little story on this bike, and almost all bikes have some sort of story. So we've done some work here, used bike, clean the chain, get that out of here. We wipe down the chain, we wrap it around, and we pedal, get that outside all clean. We've dried it. Now it's time for some lubrication. So we're going to start with the drip lube. And so there's two things here I want to talk about. Mainly it's the procedure and why we do it this way, and also how to control the flow. So I prefer a drip applicator. So I'd like to find, we spin our chain around here, we're going to find our quick link. I found it here. Quick link, we're going to roll up right to the pulley there. That's a nice reference point because we're going to go one rivet at a time, lubricating each. And I do recommend this way. I don't recommend opening the valve here and just pouring on the oil and spinning. Certainly, you're going to get lubrication on the chain, but you're not going to see what we're going to see. First, about lubrication. So some bottles have a valve like this we can open up fully. That's too much oil. It's pouring right out. You can control it here. So we go about a quarter or a third open. We get a drip. We can control the flow. So we don't want it fully open. We want it choked down just a little bit. So here we're going to go 112 links, one rivet at a time. Yes, this takes a while to do, but we are inspecting and seeing every single plate and every single rivet as we go. So that's where I finished. I'm going to roll that one up to the pulley, and I'm going to continue. Next. And I'm not over lubricating this way. Hope and gold. We have found gold right here. Bad plate, a bad link. This would ruin somebody's day. This is the proverbial weak link. So we found it. To repair it, we don't. It's going to be a new chain for this rider. So down here, there's no tension. If we would have done the traditional technique, let's just pour on the oil, I promise you there's enough lubrication now. Would we have seen that? No. That bad plate would get to the top, pressure here, failing, their race is done, their ride is done. Hopefully they didn't hurt themselves, and who missed it? It would have been us. So that slow and tedious, one at a time, can save the day. Go slow. For Tech Tuesday, Calvin Jones.
Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content from Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.